Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that's often used when talking about beauty, art, and design: aesthetic. It might look a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is aesthetic. Let's break it down. First, we have s, which sounds like s in less. Next is that, which rhymes with bet and is stressed. Then comes ick, which sounds like ick in kick. Now let's put it all together. Aesthetic. Try repeating after me. Aesthetic. Now a little faster. Aesthetic. And at full speed. Aesthetic. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Aesthetic refers to the appreciation or understanding of beauty, especially in art or design, and that's it. Now you know how to pronounce aesthetic and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.